Have you ever felt like your dreams are just out of reach no matter how hard you try? What if I told you that there's a simple, powerful method you can use every single day to bring your desires into your reality? Welcome to the 10-10-10 method, a manifestation technique that's so effective, it only takes 5 minutes of your day. Whether you're manifesting abundance, love, success, or personal growth, this method has been transforming lives, and it can transform yours too. The beauty of the 10-10-10 method is that it's easy to follow and doesn't require any special tools, just pen and paper. You don't need to meditate for hours or use complicated rituals. All you need is consistency and the right mindset to start seeing the results. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this technique to align your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with the universe. I'll guide you step by step through the process, and by the end, you'll be on your way to manifesting everything you've ever desired. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and start manifesting your dreams today. When it comes to manifestation, choosing the right tools can make a significant difference in how effective your practice is. One of the most impactful decisions you can make is opting for pen and paper over digital tools like phones, tablets, or computers. While technology can be useful in many aspects of life, the act of writing by hand helps you connect with your goals on a much deeper level. Writing by hand involves more than just transcribing words. It engages the brain in a unique way that typing on a keyboard doesn't. The physical act of holding a pen and forming letters allows for a deeper connection between your mind and your intentions. Studies have shown that writing by hand enhances memory retention and stimulates the creative right side of the brain. This connection is crucial when manifesting, as it allows your subconscious mind to more easily absorb and internalize your desires. By using pen and paper, you are physically reinforcing your intentions, making them more real and tangible. The repetitive motion of writing out your desires or affirmations helps to ingrain them in your consciousness. This constant reinforcement aligns your energy with your goals, amplifying the manifestation process. Each time you write, you are taking action toward what you want, signaling to the universe that you are serious and committed to your dreams. Moreover, using pen and paper helps avoid distractions that often come with digital tools. Phones and computers are filled with notifications, messages, and apps that can easily derail your focus. Manifestation requires a calm, clear mind, and being free from these distractions ensures that you are fully immersed in the process. Without the interruptions of social media, emails, or notifications, you can devote your full attention to writing down your goals and desires, creating a focused and intentional environment. In our tech-driven world, returning to the simplicity of pen and paper can be a powerful reminder to slow down and connect with ourselves. There's a certain ritual and mindfulness that comes with this method. The act of setting aside time to sit with pen and paper to write your intentions is a grounding practice, helping you align your energy with your goals. By setting the right tone with the right tools, pen and paper, you are laying the foundation for a successful manifestation journey. Structuring your manifestation paper is an essential step in creating a clear, focused, and effective manifestation practice. The way you organize your paper not only helps maintain clarity, but also sets the tone for your intentions, ensuring that your goals are reflected in an organized and intentional manner. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to structure your manifestation paper. Start by dividing your paper into 3 equal sections. These sections will help you organize your thoughts and actions into clear, manageable steps, with each section focusing on a different aspect of your manifestation practice. When dividing your paper, make sure that each section is of equal size, creating a balanced layout that helps guide your thoughts as you work through the method. The next step is crucial. Leave 11 lines between each of the sections. This spacing creates enough room for your thoughts to flow freely and allows for adequate reflection. The 11 lines are significant because they provide enough space for you to be detailed without feeling cramped. This allows your subconscious mind to fully process each section, making your writing more intentional and effective. It's also an opportunity for you to expand upon your thoughts without rushing, making sure every detail of your desires, gratitude, and affirmations is properly recorded. In each of the three sections, label them with numbers 1 through 10. This simple act of numbering helps you stay organized, ensuring you focus on each point in an orderly fashion. Labeling each section with clear numbers allows for easy reference and makes it easier to follow the process. It also provides structure to the practice, ensuring that you do not miss any important aspects. At the top of each section, leave a blank space. This blank line serves as a mental break between the sections, helping to clear your mind and shift focus as you move between gratitude, desires, and belief in deserving. This step is important for mental clarity because it allows you to begin each section with a fresh perspective, making it easier to stay focused and clear in your intentions. When setting up your manifestation paper, be mindful of layout and presentation. Keep your paper neat and inviting to encourage regular use. If your paper feels cluttered or messy, it can feel overwhelming, and you may be less likely to stick with the practice. A clean, well-structured page invites you to engage with the process more fully, making it a ritual you will look forward to each day. For visual guidance, imagine a page divided into three sections, each clearly labeled and spaced to allow for fluid writing. With these clear instructions, your manifestation practice will become more intentional, organized, and impactful. Step 1 of the 10-10-10 method is all about cultivating gratitude, and it's one of the most powerful ways to kickstart your manifestation journey. The sentence, "I am so grateful for," acts as a positive affirmation that sets the tone for the entire process. By beginning with gratitude, you immediately shift your mindset from scarcity or lack to abundance. This sets the stage for your energy to align with what you want to manifest. When you write down 10 specific things you're grateful for in your current life, you are grounding yourself in the present moment. Whether it's the roof over your head, your health, relationships, or personal achievements, listing these blessings helps you acknowledge the abundance that already exists in your life. Gratitude is a potent tool because it focuses your attention on what's working, which increases your vibration and opens you up to more of the same. By appreciating what you have now, you send out a signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more. The connection between gratitude and abundance is one of the key principles behind the manifestation process. When you focus on gratitude, you naturally raise your energetic frequency. This higher frequency makes it easier to attract the things you want. The universe responds to the energy you project, and by emitting gratitude, you are signaling that you are ready to receive even more blessings. As you continue to practice gratitude, you begin to recognize the abundance around you that you may have overlooked in the past, which enhances your ability to manifest. Starting with gratitude also helps elevate your frequency. In a world where we are often focused on what we lack, gratitude flips that perspective by reminding us of what we already have. When you start from a place of abundance, you align with the universe's flow, making it easier for your manifestations to materialize. Gratitude opens channels in your life for more good things to flow in because the energy of appreciation is magnetic. The impact of gratitude on your overall well-being and mindset cannot be overstated. Regularly practicing gratitude improves your mental and emotional health by promoting positive thinking and reducing stress. It encourages a mindset of optimism and abundance, making it easier to stay motivated and focused on your goals. The more you practice gratitude, the more consistently you will experience manifestation success. By integrating daily gratitude into your routine, you are not only transforming your mindset, but also creating the ideal conditions for your desires to manifest. Step 2 of the 10-10-10 method is all about manifesting your desires with clarity, and it's a crucial step in aligning your energy with what you want to attract into your life. The key to success in this step lies in how you structure your desires, and using the sentence, "I am so happy and thankful now that," is the perfect way to start. This phrasing helps you frame your desires as if they have already manifested, which is essential for the manifestation process. Writing your goals in the present tense is one of the most important aspects of this step. When you write, "I am so happy and thankful now that," you are embodying the energy of already having what you desire. This is vital because the universe responds to energy. And when you focus on what you already have, you send out a signal of abundance and gratitude. The universe mirrors this energy back to you. By framing your desires in the present tense, you start to align yourself with the reality of having them now, not in the future. This subtle shift can make a world of difference in how quickly your desires come to you. Many people make the mistake of wishing or hoping for their desires, but the universe doesn't respond to that energy. It responds to the energy of having. When you write your desires as if they are already a reality, you are telling the universe that you already possess them. This shifts your vibration and attracts more of the same energy into your life. The more you practice this, the more the universe starts to reflect your energy, bringing your desires closer to you. It's also important to be specific yet flexible when listing your desires. Specificity helps you focus on what you truly want, but flexibility allows the universe to bring you what you need in the most aligned way. You don't want to limit the universe's ability to surprise and delight you with opportunities and blessings that you may not have considered. For example, you might manifest a new job with a specific title or salary, but the universe could bring you a position that exceeds your expectations in ways you hadn't imagined. By structuring your desires clearly and in the present tense, you are preparing your mind to recognize and attract what you want. This step primes your subconscious mind to be on the lookout for opportunities that align with your goals. You begin to see things differently, noticing opportunities and pathways that you might have missed before. Manifesting with clarity and in the present moment not only increases your chances of success, but also helps you step into the energy of already having your desires, making them more likely to manifest quickly and effortlessly. Step 3 of the 10-10-10 method is focused on reinforcing self-belief and deserving, and it's an essential part of the manifestation process. Writing, "I deserve it because," is a powerful way to strengthen your belief in your worthiness and ability to manifest your desires. This step is all about addressing the deep-seated doubts that may be blocking your manifestations and replacing them with a mindset that is aligned with abundance. When you take the time to write out 10 reasons why you deserve your desires, you are actively reinforcing your self-concept and self-worth. Our self-concept, how we see ourselves, plays a crucial role in the manifestation process. If you believe that you are deserving of abundance, success, love, or whatever it is you desire, you will begin to attract those things into your life. On the other hand, if you hold limiting beliefs about yourself or feel unworthy of success, your manifestations will be blocked. By writing out reasons why you deserve your manifestations, you are rewiring your self-concept to align with the energy of abundance and possibility. Positive self-belief is a cornerstone of manifestation success. The energy you emit is directly tied to your beliefs. If you believe you deserve success, the universe will respond by bringing you more opportunities for success. If you believe that you are unworthy or that your desires are out of reach, you will attract experiences that reflect those beliefs. Therefore, reinforcing positive self-belief is crucial for attracting what you desire. It helps raise your vibrational frequency to one that matches your desires, making it easier for the universe to bring them into your reality. Addressing inner doubts is another important part of this step. Many people struggle with self-doubt, and it can prevent them from manifesting their goals. However, belief in yourself is the foundation for manifestation. If you don't believe that you deserve what you are asking for, it will be much harder to attract it. Writing out 10 reasons you deserve your desires helps shift this mindset. It allows you to confront and overcome doubts by focusing on your strengths and worthiness. The power of self-affirmations in boosting confidence cannot be overstated. By writing out reasons why you deserve your manifestations and repeating them daily, you are essentially affirming your worth and your ability to achieve your dreams. These affirmations work to boost your confidence, rewire your belief system, and align your energy with your desires. Over time, this consistent reinforcement helps you feel more confident and deserving, leading to greater manifestation success. Integrating the 10-10-10 method into your daily practice is essential for reprogramming your mindset and manifesting your desires consistently. Consistency is key because the more you engage with the process, the more you align your energy with your goals. The 10-10-10 method isn't a one-time task. It's a ritual that, when performed daily, creates lasting shifts in your consciousness, helping you attract what you want with greater ease. Making it a regular part of your routine allows you to stay focused and grounded, ensuring that your desires stay at the forefront of your mind. One of the best times to practice the 10-10-10 method is at night, just before you go to bed. This aligns perfectly with subconscious reprogramming, because during the evening your conscious mind begins to relax, and the subconscious mind becomes more receptive. The subconscious mind is most active when you're about to sleep, which is why performing manifestation practices at night is so powerful. This is when your thoughts, beliefs, and desires can more easily be absorbed by your subconscious, influencing the way you think and feel the next day. The subconscious mind plays a significant role in shaping your reality and influencing your manifestation efforts. It is responsible for 95% of the actions you take and the beliefs you hold. Since the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is imagined, it will accept whatever thoughts and beliefs you feed it as truth. By consistently practicing the 10-10-10 method, you are directly influencing your subconscious, imprinting your desires and goals into your mental framework. Over time, this repetition creates new neural pathways, shifting your mindset toward success and abundance. Repetition is the key to imprinting your desires deeply into your subconscious. As you write and reflect on your goals each night, you strengthen the belief that they are already on their way to you. The more you repeat the process, the more your mind begins to believe in the possibility of your manifestations. This consistent focus creates a sense of familiarity and certainty, making it easier for you to act in ways that align with your desires. Cultivating elevated emotional states, such as gratitude and joy, further enhances the power of the 10-10-10 method. When you write your manifestations with joy and gratitude, you elevate your vibration, creating an energetic alignment with your desires. Gratitude attracts more abundance, and joy amplifies the energy of manifestation, making it easier for the universe to reflect back what you are putting out. By incorporating these emotions as core elements of your practice, you tap into the full potential of your manifestation journey, bringing you closer to your goals every day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to start using the 10-10-10 method to manifest your dreams into reality. Remember, consistency is key, and every time you practice this method, you're one step closer to bringing your desires to life. If you're ready to take action, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know. What is the first thing you're going to manifest using the 10-10-10 method? Or if you've already started, share your experience with us. I love hearing about your success stories. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future manifestation tips and tricks. I believe in your power to manifest anything you desire, and I can't wait to see you thrive. Until next time, stay positive, keep manifesting, and remember, the universe is always listening. See you in the next video.